Maximize your ROI with the DoALL DC-280NC production bandsaw. The DC-280NC offers fully automatic operation via a digital control panel and features solid heavy-duty construction. This bandsaw is designed for cutting a wide range of industrial materials and is ideal for applications such as aerospace, automotive, metal service centers, and parts production plants. Standard features and benefits include the Programmable Logic Controller, PLC, allows the operator to monitor all machine functions. The touchscreen control makes it easy to operate. There is a 20-job storage with batching capabilities. The control is multilingual for today's workforce. The machine will display an error message when an incorrect entry is made. It's easy to switch between imperial and metric units. The DC-280NC has a feed rate, feed force saw head control. Band speed is controlled by a variable frequency drive. This allows the operator the ability to make immediate feed and speed adjustments during the cut. This saw features rapid and creep index vice control, reducing process cycle time and ensuring desired length of parts. A multi-step full-stroke cylinder system incorporates shorter hydraulic cylinders to reduce the overall footprint, combining the advantage of rack and full-stroke movements. Variable vice pressure will prevent distortion in thin-wall tubing and extrusions. Split front vice clamps on both sides of the blade reduce remnant length and harmonic vibration. Vertical hydraulic fixtures ensure the material is in the proper position during the entire cut. Carbide-faced saw guide inserts with lead-in and lead-out bearings assure the user consistent straight cuts. The band brush removes the chips from the blade gullets, helping to assure maximum cutting performance and extending blade life. A halogen work light provides better visibility for the operator within the cutting zone. This machine comes standard with a flushing hose that is used for machine washdown and auxiliary coolant. Hydraulic band tensioning assures consistent factory-specified blade tensioning throughout the cutting process. The saw band brake stall motion detector stops the machine when it detects a broken blade. The band door interlocks, also known as interlock switches, ensures the safety of personnel by automatically shutting off power to the machine when any access door is open. DoALL's DC-280NC has a high-efficiency transmission, transmitting full torque to the saw blade. The double-wide V-belt is designed to avoid slipping, which transmits full motor power to the transmission. The hydraulic chip conveyor has adjustable speed that allows for coolant to drain from the chips before extracting them from the saw. The DC-280NC's hydraulic circuit is an engineered low-pressure system, allowing for smoother and quieter operation, aiding in longer component life and easy accessibility for maintenance. The 40-degree layback head design of the band wheels minimizes band twists, decreasing band fatigue and allowing for a smaller footprint. Backup bearing inserts are utilized to support the back of the bandsaw, allowing the creation of band preload, which aids in reducing vibration while cutting and increasing blade life. This machine comes standard with a retractable shuttle-type index vise. Both jaws retract when the vise is open to accommodate the movement of crooked stock, increasing accuracy and repeatability. The magnetic scale for the indexer is installed under the indexing table. This protects the scale from dirt and oil buildup. ensuring longer life and accuracy of the indexing system. The nesting fixtures have plug-and-play vertical hold-down clamp assemblies that assist the operator to secure bundled material. Do you and your team desire greater throughput and profit? The DC-280NC will increase your productivity by automating a large portion of the sawing operation and reduce your costs through DoALL's thoughtful design elements aimed at increasing component and blade life. You and your team deserve a DoALL. Contact us today at DoALLsaws.com to begin the conversation with a sawing subject matter expert. DoALL invented the metal cutting bandsaw, and there's nothing we can't cut.